mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Michelle. Now, Michelle is here and she's giving thanks and she's thankful for all her supporters, all the people that's been supporting her, even though she's been going through this ordeal. You know, this little problem that she's having with Miss D. And so she's coming out saying thanks. And she said she never knew really that she had so much people backing her. And she's happy that, they were still able to, even though she did something, they were still there for her 100% and sending her messages and words of encouragement, to kind of nourish her soul. And so she's really thankful for that and grateful. She's saying that she really appreciates the love that's been sent her way and she wants to thank them. So go ahead and watch the video and remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourself a wonderful day.
Alright guys, let's just real quick. I'm gonna make this short and sweet. I just want to quickly say a big thank you, actually a huge thank you to all of my subscribers, my supporters, especially you, the silent watchers, who popped up in my inbox and you sent your kind words of encouragement, just uplifting me, motivating me, you know what I mean? Like, it was just so lovely and it was quite refreshing, regardless of whatever took place in the media, that you are still rocking with me no matter what. And I really and truly appreciate it so much. I sent a lot of virtual hugs, and just I just want to say thank you. I just want to say thank God, big up to you, God, as well, for coming through. So yeah, big up to you, God. Yeah, so what's next for Michelle Ladana? Somebody asked me if I'm gonna stop doing blogging completely, where I'm gonna stop talking about things. No, I'm not gonna stop completely, but then I'm going to be very selective on the things that I speak on, because there are certain things that I don't want to speak about, right? I don't want to speak about certain things that's going to cause any drama or conflict or anything, and I said that before, right? But it's going to be mainly about me, my life, a bit of vlogging here and there, and yeah, just sharing my journey and my day-to-day antics and foolishness as well. And that's it really, you know what I mean? I'm gonna delete quite a lot of videos from my page. I'm gonna clean it up, nice it up and everything, and just make it nice. I'm gonna go back over to YouTube as well and post over there. And yeah, that's the route that we are going down. We're changing things and we're going to improve on a lot of things, right? And I just want to say, for those of you out there who are very disappointed in me, trust me, I'm disappointed in myself as well, to know that I could have come off in such a way, to look so less than favorable to everyone in everybody's eyes. That wasn't my intention. That is not who I am, even though it seems as if I am, based on things that had happened, and it's just gradually, and it's just like, that's who she is, but that's not who I am, and we are all going to judge each other, because that's what we do, you know what I mean? And you formulate your opinion and all of that, and I respect that. And yeah, whatever it is that's being thrown at me, I will take it. But I'm moving. You understand? I'm moving. You'll throw it and I'll take it, but I'm just know that I'm moving on. Right? So hopefully you guys can still join me on the journey and still have an open mind still. And yeah, and just know that if man not forgive you, God will forgive you. You understand? Because deep down, he knows your heart and he knows your intentions, right? And I know that I'm a fairly decent person. As we say, you never come off like that because of, panic, fear of the unknown and all of these things or whatever. But sometimes you just have to, do the right thing and trust in God, right? Always do the right thing and trust in God. And this was the first time I actually, caved because of, what was at stake. Right? And yeah, but the lesson is to always do the right thing, right? So that no further damage can be done. And I definitely learned that. Like I said, you're not too old to learn and all of that. You know what I mean? So I just want to say thank you. Thank you, and my apologies out to